Hi guys, I'm Dylan.
And Derek
Today we're going to be making homemade fire starters.
from this book called Camping with Kids.
Here's our supplies. Fire gloves and tongs for safety.
Candles and dryerling for lighting the stuff.
I've got a pot of water, a jar, and a star-shaped cookie cutter. A big knife, piece of wood, a pocket knife, and a pair of scissors. And an empty egg carton. And a Coleman tote. And a Coleman stove. Step 1. Put the cookie cutter down into the metal pot and then let it boil. Step 2. Take the knife and chop the candles into chunks. Next, get the little knife and on the plate, shave the piece of wood down to get all of the wood shaving on the plate. Next, we take the jar of chopped candles and put it into the boiling water. Now we wait for the wax to melt. While we're waiting for the wax to melt, we'll sprinkle some of these wood chips and dryerling in the egg cartons. Now we just wait for the wax. Now that the wax is melted, we carefully pour the wax into the container. Now we wait for it to dry. Now that the wax is dry, it's time to cut the cups out. That's the end of the top. Now we put the cups into the Ziploc bag. That way they can stay dry for our next camping trip. 12 in the bag. Now we're
we're gonna test our fire starters to see if they work. Place it right in the middle. Go, go, go! Nice! I just lit the match and placed it right into the right center.
Dude, I put it down there that way in case someone's
It looks like our fire starters were a success.
Hi, we're the New Jersey Nature Boys.
I'm Derek.
And I'm Dylan.
Thanks for watching our videos.
Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our adventures. Thanks. Have a nice day.